Hey guys, today we're going to go to a fun science fair.
We're going to a science fair?
Yeah.
You excited?
Yeah.
Let's do it. So how the heck does this happen?
So it's basically the same idea as that. The electricity is going through, and the cool thing with this is if you hold on to this,
okay,
and then if you hold on to her arm.
You hold on to my arm.
Now the electricity is going to go through both of you, and so you can use both sticks.
What? That's so cool.
So we had a chain the other day at a different event of like 4 or 5 people holding hands. On each end, one of them has a drumstick, but only one of them's connected to the wire, and yet the person that has the drumstick that's not connected can still play the drums.
Oh, that's so cool.
Check this out. So this one, you have to push it there.
So the one on the screen. Uh-oh, that one. Did you get it?
So the electricity is going all the way through your arms and then completing the circuit.
So cool.
So inside of this is what's called a microbit. It's this little board, or not a microbit.
So
this is a 𝐦𝐸𝐸, sorry.
Okay.
The robots are using the microbit. And so it's just a really simple device. You plug wires into it, and then you connect it to conductive stuff, and you are basically becoming a path to ground. So when you hold on to the handle there, that allows.
So you hold on to this.
Yep. And so then you touch this, or
Okay.
this, or this, and this.
And it's a whack-a-mole.
Exactly. So
That's
the electricity
so cool.
goes through your body, and it's basically acting like a human button.
So now feel how cold that is.
What are you putting on it, Jack? What was that?
So dry ice has this unique feature about it. It doesn't melt like normal ice does. It turns into a gas. That's called sublimation. And those gas, the airwaves from the gas release is what's moving your quarter around.
That's so cool. It's shaking. That's so cool, Jack. What do you think?
Can I try with this?
Yeah, for sure.
You trying another one, bud?
Gotta warm it up. Because they get cold really quickly. They start coming.
Yeah. Whoa, it's smoking. Hey, cow. So dry ice in the water.
You see how the gas bubbles up like that? The smaller pieces are what works better for this experiment.
Whoa.
Oh,
Look
it's
how cool that
smoking.
is. It is smoking.
It's
You gonna
smoking.
hold it, bud? 2 hands, buddy. That's so cool. Jack's putting out a fire. Using a fire extinguisher. It's a fire company. How cool is that? It's almost out. It's out! Good job.
Hi, I'm Jessie from Seaside Smiles, and this is all the things that you probably drink on a daily basis. And this is the worst one, Gatorade.
And the eggs, are they what they do to your
Yes,
teeth?
So that's what happens to your teeth. So you have blue teeth.
What?
Into a bad enamel.
It's a bit.
Your teeth really soft.
Oh, Gatorade makes your teeth soft. See, what you guys usually told, even by the doctor sometimes, drink Gatorade, right? And we do this stuff called Kinder Light that has like the no dye and stuff. So it's this. What do we say about Coke? Who doesn't let you drink Coke? And then this is sweet tea. So what does the sweet tea do? Ah!
So it's similar to the Coke and the Gatorade.
Okay.
Soft the enamel, which makes you more prone to getting cavities.
Ah. And then we have chocolate milk.
Not much of a color difference, but if
Okay.
you feel the shell, it's very soft.
Soft because of the sugar. Ah, and then yay! Water! Hooray!
No
Water!
drugs.
You drink water?
It's the best for you, right?
Say we. Are you Dr. Jack? So Jack, what are we looking at? This is what a real human would look like, right? Without any skin. What are you looking at? What part? What is that?
A heart.
What is it?
It's hot.
It's a heart. Okay, so point out some things with the heart. What does the heart do?
It pumps blood into our body.
It pumps blood. Look at that. Holy smokes. Actually, look at that. It looks just like a real heart. It's a frog. What's
Is
in
it a
there?
real frog?
Not a real frog. It looks pretty real, doesn't it? It feels. See, look. There's its anatomy in there.
Let it come all the way out. Good job. And that's all you have to do is do that to help them. And you can either help them if they've been choking on something, that'll push it up. Or if they're not breathing, that'll help their heart move so the blood keeps circulating through their body.
So, Jack, why are we doing CPR?
When you do CPR,
If somebody's unconscious.
if somebody's unconscious, if they're not breathing or that,
And then what do you do?
Call 911.
Call 911.
first. Always
Rock
first.
on, right?
Won't pinch him. It makes a better video.
Jack's gonna hold a crab. Wow.
Look at that.
Look how cool that is. See, he's not pinching it.
No.
Right? He went back in. What kind of crabs are those?
So these are mud crabs.
Mud crabs.
Yeah, MUD.
How's he feel on you, bud?
He's not moving.
He's not. Maybe like be like, what? Big human holding me. That's so cool.
So this is, what does this stuff look like? Seaweed, exactly. So this is seaweed. They're called sargassum sometimes, and it's really important. Do you know why it's important?
Because some animals feed off of it.
Some animals feed off of it, yeah. And also things like sea turtles, they'll use it as cover. So when they go out to the ocean, they'll look for some sargassum or seaweed, and they try to use it to hide in it from other predators. Because otherwise they're just floating out there in the open ocean and anything can go after them. But if they have camouflage, you know, it's better.
So cool.
So we're going to measure our
Why do
dolphin
we need
here,
mock
okay?
clothes?
That's going to be so that we can write on our measurement form. So the first measurement we're going to do is total length. So that's from the rostrum to the fluke notch. Where do you think the rostrum is on the dolphin?
Where do you think the rostrum is?
Right here, absolutely. All the way in front. And that's the end. That's down to his fluke. So you're going to take the tape measure all the way down.
Is measuring the dolphin.
What is this called?
It's a very good guess. It could be by inches, but here we typically use centimeters. And that's because other people in the world use centimeters, and marine mammal experts work with people all around the world. Isn't that cool? So what's the number that you see that's at the very tip of that notch? That
91 inches.
All right, flip it over to the other side. We'll do centimeters.
I don't know how many.
Well, what's the number it
What's the number
says?
say?
It's in between 2000. It's in between 2023 and 2023.
So 223?
So this is done when you folks, you're rescuing.
Yeah,
right?
so if we're rescuing a dolphin or if we're out, one of them dies and washes up on the beach, we'll actually try and take a lot of data from each individual animal because we don't know a lot about the animals that are out in the ocean. Some species, like bottlenose dolphins that are closer to shore, scientists know a little bit more about. But some of the bigger whales, like beaked whales, we don't see very often. So whenever they... Sperm whales too, yeah. And we actually had a sperm whale strand in Jensen Beach a couple years ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. So we want to try and learn as much as we can about any animals that wash up and die on shore, or if they wash up alive, we'll try and help them out. So it just depends on the animal, but every animal is special. And
Which one are the mosquitoes in there?
They're all mosquitoes.
Oh, they're all
So
mosquitoes.
these are juvenile mosquitoes, baby mosquitoes. They start as an egg, and then they become a little larva, a wriggler, and then they stay as a larva for 7 days. And then they come
Larva
out
for
pupa,
7
just
days.
like a butterfly goes into a
Oh,
cocoon.
wow.
And then after that,
Then they
adults.
become mosquitoes.
So only female mosquitoes feed on blood.
Okay.
Male mosquitoes don't bite people. They're incapable of biting people.
Okay. Male mosquitoes don't bite.
They feed on nectar.
Okay. Very cool. Can I check these out?
Sure.
Look at those.
So they're all
Male mosquitoes. They bite. Very cool. Thank you. Jack, did you have fun today at the
Yeah.
science fair? Was it awesome? There were so many different things to learn about, right?
Yeah.
Were you like bored or were you not bored?
It wasn't bored.
Awesome.
Hey guys, if you liked today's episode, make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. And adventures out there. And awesome!
Awesome! Did you have fun at the science fair?
Yeah!
It was awesome!